First things first, let's head over to the App Store on your iPhone. We're going to search for the official Twilio app. Go ahead and tap the search icon and type in Twilio. Once you see the Twilio app listed, tap on it. You'll then see a button to download or install it. If you've downloaded it before, you might see a cloud icon. Tap that button and let the app download and install onto your device. After the installation is complete, you'll find the Twilio app icon on your home screen. Go ahead and tap on it to open it up for the first time. You'll be presented with an option to log in or sign up. If you already have a Twilio account, tap Log In and enter your Twilio username and password. If you're new to Twilio, tap Sign Up and follow the on-screen prompts to create your free account. You'll typically need to provide an email address, create a password, and verify your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Twilio dashboard. This is where you can start managing your communication channels. To send an SMS, look for the Messaging or SMS section. Here you can compose your messages. Select your Twilio phone number as the sender and input the recipient's number. Similarly, you can manage your calls and view call logs directly from this app. Explore the different sections to familiarize yourself with all the powerful features Twilio offers on your iPhone. And just like that, you've successfully set up Twilio on your iPhone, ready to enhance your mobile productivity and streamline your communication.